If PC Pet Insurance Norway pricing explained what you get for your money. You won't believe how fast pet expenses can grow in Norway. A single emergency visit can cost over 50 kroner, and surgery can easily double that. That's why many Norwegians trust PC Pet Insurance, one of the country's most established insurers. But what do you actually get for your money? PC offers tiered plans designed for both cats and dogs. The standard plan starts around 200 kroner per month and covers accidents like injuries from vehicles, fights or falls. It's basic, affordable protection for sudden vet costs. The mid-range plan adds coverage for illnesses, meaning you're protected if your pet develops infections, allergies, or chronic diseases. You can get up to 80% reimbursement, with annual limits ranging from 50 to 75 kroner. If you choose the premium plan, you also get preventive care covering vaccines, parasite control, and even dental treatments. Some plans even include alternative therapies like acupuncture and physical rehabilitation when prescribed by a vet. Most people get this wrong. They think pet insurance only matters for accidents, but chronic conditions like arthritis or diabetes are far more common and costly. IF's higher tier plans are designed for exactly that. Claims are simple. Upload your vet receipts online, and IF usually processes them within a few business days. You can use any licensed veterinarian in Norway. What sets IF apart is its reliability. With over a century in the Nordic insurance industry, it's known for transparency, responsive support, and steady reimbursements. In short, PC Pet Insurance offers flexible protection for every budget, helping Norwegian pet owners handle unexpected costs and keep their pets healthy without financial stress.